Hi guys, I just received my Boxy charm for July 2020 and I have taken items out of the box, and Boxy charm is a monthly subscription and I pay each month $25 for this box. And again, this is for July 2020. I received it last week, but I'm just doing a video now. So, yeah, let's get started. Now, this is the card that came in there, and it says Boxy Charm Sunshine. Pretty card. Pretty photo. And this is the back, and it lists all the products that are in there and the prices. So I received 5 products. So the first product that I received is called Ace Beauty, and it says Bronze in Paradise, and this is a palette. And I'm going to show you the inside. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Comes with four shades. And on top it has a mirror. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. Really pretty. And the price of this is, for the bronzer, is $30. Then the next item that I received is by Grace and Stella, and it says it's like a energy drink for your eyes, and it's an eye mask, and it says anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask, and it says it has 12 pairs in this box. Not gonna open it, yeah, but this is what it looks like. And the price of that is $21. Then the next item, it has 111 Skin, and I think it says Harley St. London here. It's not focusing properly, but yeah. And it says it's a pollution defense booster, and this is for the skin. And you won't believe the price of this item. The price of this item is $135. I guess it's because it's for the skin. And then the next item that I received is StudioMakeup, and it says Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. And it's like a shimmery eyeshadow. And the price of that is $25. And then my next and last item is Quick Color Switch, and it's a dry makeup brush cleaner, and it says Lavish at the bottom there. And I'm going to open it to show you what it looks like inside. And this is what it looks like inside. Okay. And the price of that is $17. And it says it's with this color switch dry brush cleaner. It says you can quickly remove powder pigments for it says from makeup brushes without water, reusable and washable. And these are all the items that I received in my Boxy charm. And please give this video a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I just want to thank you again for watching. And I just want to say goodbye.